Welcome to this video about adding more SVG decorations to our Rust and WebAssembly Christmas lights demo. I'll show you how Claude Code helped me expand the festive display with new ornaments and animations. Let's start by looking at the existing Christmas lights application. It's built with Rust, compiled to WebAssembly, running in the browser with interactive SVG graphics. Here I'm using Claude Code with the Playwright MCP server to demo the existing Christmas lights application. Claude starts the development server and opens the app in a browser. The app shows a chain of 8 colorful SVG decorations, including a candy cane, tree, star, bell, stocking, and ornaments. You can see the settings view with controls for the demo message, animation speed, chain pattern, and color mode. Claude explores the different animation modes like chase and wave, cycling through various configurations. The app currently supports 13 Christmas shapes with 6 animation modes and configurable speed settings. This gives us a solid foundation before we add more SVG decorations. Now we need to convert raster images to SVG format. The original images were created using nightcafe.studio and HighDream i1 Dev, with some edits made in Nano Banana. Claude will help us convert these to scalable vector graphics. I asked Claude Code to help add new SVG images to the Christmas lights app. Since the existing shapes were converted using potrace, Claude suggests sticking with that approach for consistency. Inkscape is another option that provides more control through a graphical interface. Claude offers to help with the conversion process once we have the tool installed. I often ask Claude to use Rust to produce WASM applications like this one. I asked Claude to convert my raster images to SVG format using potrace. The images include bells, a gnome, mistletoe, an elf, ice skates, and gift boxes. Claude generates a bash script that resizes each image and runs it through potrace to create clean vector graphics. Then Claude updates the Rust source code, adding new SVG constants for each shape. After rebuilding the app, the new decorations appear in the Christmas lights display alongside the original ornaments. Now I ask Claude to add an SVG preview feature to the app. I want a new details view mode that shows large previews of each shape. Claude adds the view mode enum variant and builds the UI dropdown. The first attempt looks bad with dark colors on dark backgrounds. I suggest adding colorful displays. The second attempt uses rainbow colors, but they're still too muted. I remind Claude that the S in SVG stands for scalable. The previews should be much larger. Finally, Claude gets it right with bright, full-width SVG previews that really show off each shape. Fixing a couple bugs and verifying live demo. I noticed two bugs in the app. The new SVG shapes aren't appearing when I select them, and some stockings are displaying upside down on the bottom row. Claude diagnoses the problems and finds that the shape selection code was missing mappings for the new images. The rotation bug was caused by a 180-degree rotation applied to all bottom row items. After fixing both issues, Claude rebuilds the app, commits the changes, and deploys to the live demo. I verify that all the new shapes now display correctly in both settings and demo views. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe.